In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate order fulfillment and import products for AliExpress. Let's get started. So in order to do this, the first thing you need to do is to make sure to install Dsers Aliexpress Dropshipping to your actual Shopify store. You can do so by clicking on the Add Apps right here and searching for the specific app in order to install it. Now, once you have installed this, you can see this open to Dsers right here. So when you click on that, you'll be able to proceed to their homepage. If you don't have an account yet, then just register in here. If you already have an account, then just log in. So in here, you have here this left sidebar, and you can see the home, the report. You can find suppliers, or you can also do this supplier optimizer. You can see your import list, products, as well as the tracking right here. So when you head over to the Find Suppliers, you will be able to see some products you can choose from. So in here, it will load for a while in order to show you some products. So for example, you want to sell a specific product like this one, then you can just click on that. Then in here, you will see this look right here on your AliExpress. So if the page is actually not found, then you can just click on that again in order to do this. So you can click on this icon right here in order to add this to your import list. And in here, if you click on this right here, you just need to see the supplier optimizer. And in here, it will automate and open a new tab in order to see the supplier optimizer that you have on this specific product. So in here, this will load again in order to search for the products that you can choose from. So as you can see, when you click on the supplier optimizer, it will bring us some more products that is related to that one. So we have now here this another product as well as this one and more things right here. So what we can do is we can head over and click on this right here in order to add this to import list. Okay. So from in there, you can see that the product is imported successfully. You can stay in here the import list or check that. So let's add some more. Let's click on this again. And then in here, let's close this and let's try to add more products. So I already added 3 products. So let's click on check right here. And in here, you can see that I have now this. So what I can do is I can head over and then just click on the check mark right here. Then I click on this push to store. And in here, I have this store selection, which is my Shopify store. And continue selling when out of stock. And publish this to our store right here. So click on push to stores right here. And then this will load and 3 products will be pushed to our Shopify. So in here, you can click on this check status right here in order to see. And as you can see, the import reviews is ongoing. So let's close this. And as you can see, it has successfully imported those 3 products. So let's head back again to our Shopify. Let's head back to our products. And in here, this will actually refresh. And as you can see, this product has been added to our Shopify store. And we can now sell it through dropshipping for our store right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.